So here's the current market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. So to start with this current video, I was just sort of perusing YouTube here and looking at what some of the other people have posted recently, and I came across an interesting looking thumbnail, an interesting video, where the title is AMC GameStop $2,218 per share. Roaring Kitties, Secret Signs, Get Ready. Okay. I just thought this was interesting. You know, he's got some brewskis here. He's ready to drink some beer, some brew dogs. $2,218 per share. How did we not see this? Okay, so apparently there's some secret signal on the chart here that he's pointing to that is going to magically cause the stock to short squeeze. Okay. So I took a look at the video, and then I was even, the thumbnail itself was entertaining enough, but then, I just sort of clicked on the video, and I took a look at some of the thumbnails, and what I saw was very interesting. And I'm not normally, a very nice person. I don't normally give compliments very often, things like that. I'm a bit of an angry old man who's not quite old enough to be an angry old man, not just yet. A little bit too young for that, but that still is who I am. I don't just throw around compliments very easily. But with what I saw in these comments, I was very encouraged. And I just thought that you guys did such a great job in these comments. And I just wanted to read a couple of these things. So again, the title is AMC GameStop, $2,218 per share. And then we go down to the comments. And so the first one says, not a thing will happen tomorrow. Number 2, I may as well read tea leaves. Number 3, all good news in AMC is going down. It doesn't, number 4, it doesn't matter because whenever we get anything good, Adam Aaron blanks it up and I'm right. Next one, you're taking the bait from the shills on Reddit and just parroting it here. Every other week it's something. I love these comments. They're really funny. So proud of you guys. All right. So every other week it's something different. 728, 8. I can't even read this. 728, 828, 988. Now it's 2,218 per share. Okay, very good. Get ready. You guys are obviously making money on clicks. Get ready. Nothing has happened as usual. Knock it off giving people false hope. Absolutely. True. 100% true. Just get NVIDIA. It's under $108 right now. Okay, interesting. Calling out some different stocks. We stay strong. APES, GMA to 10K. Let's go. If you guess 100 times and you are right once, if you guess 100 times and you're right once, it doesn't count. LOL. Next one, bro. What effing fun you talking about? And AMC hasn't moved since September 2023. All we hear is soon. It's coming soon, right around the corner. Every effing day. Bro, I can't, I can't keep falling for this anymore. I mean, these are hilarious, and you guys are really calling this guy out. And I am giving you guys credit here. Good job with this. People that are incorrect about this stuff should be called out. A broken clock is right twice as much as you. He makes me want to cancel my contracts and short AMC too. The more you pump, then the more they're going to go down. Okay, blah, blah, blah. This guy, interesting one here. I'm not even going to read it. Very interesting points. I thought those were hilarious. I thought that you guys were making very strong points and making a lot of sense. I agree with all that. Believe me. So, I just wanted to point that out here because what we really need to be doing at this point is looking at the price chart itself. Most recently, I think that we have seen a bit of an upside price movement here. We are breaking through some resistance levels. We can sort of drill in here a bit. Maybe I'll go down to the 30-minute chart. So, as we can see here, we are seeing a bit of downside price action today after falling from these recent highs. These recent highs posted at, let's get an exact number here, 544. And this is significant because, the next level that we're watching to the top side comes in at 549. This is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this most recent move lower. And if we do break above here, this does target a full retracement back toward this 575 level that I've spoken about in several videos. And if we did see a move back into that area, I do feel that would be a very significant price move higher, because this level is currently a triple top resistance zone. And the more you test a price area, the more likely it is to start breaking. Um, so overall, a break of this 549 area would put this under pressure for a fourth time. And this is where the short sellers started to emerge last time, as we can see here with this price movement here. So, even though we have only seen sort of modest gains here, I do consider these to be some fairly significant moves, at least on this time frame, because I think that what this ultimately is going to wind up targeting is this 575 zone, which is where the short sellers established their position previously. So, currently though, to the downside, what we do have to look at here, is the possibility that we do start to break through these exponential moving averages. There is some fairly important support, which comes in right around here, which would be at roughly 515. So, this is important here. If we do see a break to the downside, this would mean that this prior support zone has been lost, and this really is a double bottom support zone, so it is fairly significant. So it would mean that we lose that support zone, as well as all of these major exponential moving averages on the 30-minute chart. So, from there, we would have to start to look back at the $5 level as a potential, net following target here. But overall, the fact that we have managed to grind through this 618 retracement, this is feeling a bit unresolved here, given the fact that, we were not able to fully retest this 786 retracement. As I said, we did see a bit of a failure here at 544, which is, 5 cents ahead of this Fibonacci level. So, I don't view this as being, the final rally here. I do think that these gains will be, these losses, I should say, will be somewhat short-lived, because I think that they're being based on, broader price movements in the market. One person in those other comments was talking about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is collapsing at the moment. NVIDIA is seeing some major share price losses. Even Microsoft is seeing fairly significant share price losses recently, much larger than what we're seeing in a stock like AMC and GameStop, to be totally honest. So, there is a fair amount of selling pressure that's currently being seen in the market. I don't think that should just be neglected. I think that it is important to watch for things like that. And overall, I do think that, this recent price move higher does sort of open up at least a retest of this 575 level. And then at that point, we would be looking at a fourth test, which looks unlikely to hold at that point. So here's the current market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.